If you've worked with rotary UV systems, you know the challenges. Setup can take time, alignment has to be precise, and you're often limited to very specific product shapes. We wanted to simplify that process. Instead of printing directly onto the object, Xanté's UV Unlimited creates a dishwasher-safe transfer decal on a transparent adhesive film. And because each transfer costs just pennies per image, you're able to improve product versatility without raising costs. Once printed, the decal is applied by hand, transferring only the adhesive and ink to the surface. That means no rotary attachment, no complex alignment, and far more flexibility in the products you can decorate. With UV Unlimited, you can simplify production, expand your media options, and create durable UV graphics with a workflow designed for scalable production. That's the next evolution of UV decoration. That's UV Unlimited.